Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today the topic of my lecture is Introduction of Sons and Lovers by D.H. Lawrence. This is the famous literary work of D.H. Lawrence. Today I will introduce you about this novel. This novel was written between 1910 to 1912. This novel is semi-autobiographical novel because Lawrence had written it as a tribute to his mother. There are a lot of similarities between Lawrence and his character Paul Morrell, but they both are not same, so there is a literary touch to characterize Paul Morrell. When he wrote this novel, he was criticized by his own wife and his friends, and they said that there is no clarity between characterization. D.H. Lawrence's wife Frida wrote a parody on her husband's novel. She named her parody his mother's darling. She had fought many times with her husband on this novel. Gertrude is the main female character in this novel. She introduced as a young lady with attractive blue eyes at the start of the novel. In this novel, Paul Morrell is a writer's own character. Writer is introduced or depicted his own self through this character. On the other hand, Gertrude is is a character who is also described as a real mother of D.H. Lawrence. D.H. Lawrence's mother similarly was tortured and bear the situations as Gertrude bears in this novel. Like Morel, Walter Morel, his own father was also a coal miner. There are similarities between his mother and Gertrude, between his father and this character Walter Morel. But there are some similarities, but there are some dissimilarities between the character of Paul Morel. Therefore, this character is due to this character, this novel becomes semi-autobiographical novel, not complete autobiographical. Frida always considered her husband a psychotype person who is a victim of Oedipus complex, a person who is most interested to her mother than her father. This was the reason that she always fought, and she also fought on this novel with her husband. So now let's talk about Gertrude, which is the main female character and also depicted or shown as Lawrence's real mother. This female character is introduced at the start of the novel. She introduced as a very charming and lovely girl who has blue eyes, and she is very attractive. She is characterized as passive, moral, quiet woman, which depicts the role of women as at that time. By chance, this Puritan girl met with Walter Morrell, a coal miner, who is depicted as a real father of D.H. Lawrence. Walter Morrell, fascinated by her beauty and particularly by her fluent English. Soon they both danced and friendship started from here. There was some ceremony at a place, and Walter Morrell and Gertrude, they both met She did not know how to dance, but this physically very charming Walter Morel made friendship with this girl and make her ready to dance with him. 1 year later they married, but after this their love changed into hate and they lead a tragic life because he told her that mean Walter Morel had told her friend and fiancée, or you can say that her wife, future wife, Gertrude, that he is not drunkard. He would be very loyal with her, but this was very opposite. After a happy marriage of 6 or 7 months, he started too much drinking, and she had beaten her severely many times. So there were financial problems. He was not financially strong. These were the conditions that made her love change into hate. Another reason was also that she was moral and he was very sensuous person. He has only physical lust for her. He has considered her as a machine to bear children or things like that. So there are some feministic perspectives that have also described in this novel. For more detail about this novel, you can also watch my summary on my YouTube channel. This summary was also very good, and now let's come toward conclusion. Through such stories, Lawrence tried to reveal that modernization and industrialization has corrupted and dehumanized the man. Is it true or not? Describe it in comments.